Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel World Fashion and Decoration Tour. Today in this video, I present to you some fantastic rural farmhouse decor inspiration. Let's start the video. Fantastic rural farmhouse decor is a beautiful and nostalgic interior design style that combines vintage elegance, country simplicity, and rustic farmhouse charm. It is all about creating a warm, inviting, and timeless home that feels cozy, lived in, and full of character. Let's break it down in detail. Core concept: fantastic rural farmhouse decor blends vintage charm using antique or old-fashioned features with history. Rural farmhouse styles: simple, natural, and inspired by countryside living. Chic touches for soft, feminine, and defined details that add beauty and elegance. It is the perfect mix of old-world nostalgia and modern comfort, making your home feel both romantic and rustic. Key elements of the style: materials and textures: that old reclaimed barn beams and distressed furniture. Use natural fabrics like cotton, linen, and burlap. Old iron, galvanized metal, and aged brass accents. Also use stone, brick, or shiplap oils. Colors: use soft neutral tones like cream, beige, taupe, gray, and white. Use muted pastels like dusty rose, shush cream, powder blue. Accents of rustic brown, charcoal, or black. Patterns: gingham, plaid, floral, and tall fabrics. Use handcrafted crochet or lace details. Furniture and decor: use vintage furniture like distressed cabinets, old dressers, farmhouse tables, and vintage armchairs. Farmhouse pieces: wooden benches, milk jugs, and animal art. Teak details: crystal candelabras, floral curtains, vintage mirrors, and porcelain vases. Textiles: ruffled bedding, patchwork coils, and crochet threads. Atmosphere: the mood is cozy, romantic, and timeless, like stepping into a countryside cottage filled with love and stories. Lighting is usually soft and warm, with candles, fairy lights, or rustic lanterns. Accessories and finishing touches: fresh or dried flowers like lavender, hydrangeas, and wildflowers. Use antique clocks, old books, and vintage frames. Use farm sign, rustic baskets, and oven trays, handmade or upcycled decor items. A fantastic rural farmhouse home feels peaceful and welcoming, full of natural charm and nostalgia, balanced between rustic simplicity and graceful beauty. Here is a deeper, richer explanation of fantastic rural farmhouse decor, including its philosophy, detailed design layers, and emotional tone. Philosophy behind the style: fantastic rural farmhouse decor is not just about decoration. It is about creating a home with soul. It celebrates the beauty of imperfection, the charm of old craftsmanship, and the simplicity of country living. This style tells a story of heritage, love, and comfort by mixing time-worn vintage treasures with soft, feminine accents. It captures the feeling of a countryside farmhouse passed down through generations, lovingly cared for and filled with timeless elegance. Design foundation: the foundation of this style lies in balance between rough and refined, rustic and romantic, old and new. Textures and surfaces: distressed wood used for furniture, beams, and floors, and rustic authenticity. Chalk painted finishes give a soft antique patina to dressers, cabinets, and table, linen and lace. Add gentle vintage charm to curtains, table runners, and cushions. Iron and metal accents bring in that rural farmhouse sturdiness. Color mode. Think of soft daylight streaming through white curtains. Colors are faded and gentle, evoking peaceful simplicity. Ivory, cream, and soft white. Use warm grays and natural earth tones like pastel pinks, sheer greens, dark egg blue, and faded grays. Furniture and layout. Fantastic rural farmhouse interiors are filled with character furniture that feels lived in and loved. Farmhouse tables with turned legs and tipped paint. Sleep-covered sofas in neutral tones with floral or gingham cushions. Distressed cabinets displaying china, clusters, and heirloom pieces. Iron bed frames or wooden headboards for that cozy, cottage-like bedroom feel. Open shelving for crockery, vintage tin, and old cookbooks. The furniture layout emphasizes comfort and togetherness. Spaces are open, airy, and inviting, often centered around a large kitchen or warm living room. Lighting and ambience. Lighting plays a huge role in the romantic charm of this style. It should be soft, golden, and layered, creating an atmosphere that feels calm and cozy. Wimpus candlelights or old iron lanterns over dining tables. Table lamps with linen or lace shades. With candles and lanterns for warm evening glow. Fairy lights or Edison bulb for whimsical touches. Decorative details. These accessories are what truly brings this decor style to life. Floral patterns on curtains, pillows, and china sets. Antique finds use old clocks, framed botanical prints, vintage teacups, and lace tiles. Natural elements use dried lavender, oven baskets, clay pots, and wild flowers. Handmade accents use crochet table covers, embroidered cushions, buttered piles. Everything feels personal, handcrafted, and nostalgic. Emotional tone. A vintage rural farmhouse home feels like a warm hug from the past, peaceful, nostalgic, and filled with grace. It is the kind of a space you sip tea by the window while Jane falls outside. Small fresh breath from the kitchen feels surrounded by comfort and cherished memories. Why people love this style? People adore vintage rural farmhouse decor because it brings peace and comfort in a chaotic modern world, authenticity and character. To diamond pieces, dramatic beauty in soft details and gentle colors, a connection to nature and tradition. Let's go even deeper into the heart of vintage rural farmhouse decor, exploring its origins, cultural influences, emotional appeal, and advanced decorating techniques. This will help you understand not only how it looks, but why it feels so beautiful and timeless. The vintage rural farmhouse style draws its inspiration from the English countryside, French Provençal homes, and American farmhouses. From the late 19th and early 20th centuries, it evolves as a blend of vintage style, celebrating time-worn elegance and nostalgia. Farmhouse living rooted in comfort, simplicity, and practicality. Chic aesthetic, adding refinement, femininity, and grace. This fusion creates a timeless look that feels romantic, beautiful, and meaningful. It is not about perfection, it is about authentic living, where every piece has a story and every imperfection adds charm. Architectural feel. Homes decorated in this style often feature beamed ceilings with natural or whitewashed wood, white plank wooden floors, sometimes painted or distressed. Sheep lamp or beadwood walls for a cozy cottage-like backdrop. Large farmhouse windows letting in plenty of daylight, porches or verandas with rocking chairs, planters, and window lanterns. Even in modern homes, these features can be recreated through design choices such as faux beams, rustic wood paneling, or antique style window frames. Decor layers and styling techniques. The art of vintage rural farmhouse decorating lies in layering texture, tones, and stories. Each space feels lovingly crafted, never staged. Layer 1 Base. Use soft neutral paint on walls like ivory, cream, or pale gray. Wooden or stone flooring for warmth and texture. Light linen curtains or shade traps. Layer 2 Furniture. Use time-worn wooden tables, edged cabinets, and slip-covered sofas. A mix of painted and natural wood finishes for balance. Use vintage-style pieces, repurposed or genuine antiques. Layer 3 Textiles, coils, lace runners, crochet shawls, floral and gingham pillows. Use ruffled slip covers and underwind rugs. Layer 4 Decor accents, mirrors with ornate frames. Use old clocks, pottery, and enamel. Sperm sign, galvanized buckets, and wicker baskets. Layer 5 Nature. Use wildflowers in clusters. Also use dried lavender, herbs, or pampas grass. Wooden clothes with fruits or plants. Every layer should feel warm, tactile, and lived in. Nothing too shiny or perfect. Signature rooms. Living room. Soft setting. Whitewashed furniture, floral cushions, old clocks, and framed botanical prints. Think cozy evenings by crackling fire and soft lamp light. Kitchen. A rustic wooden table, open shelving, ceramic jugs, copper pans, and fresh herbs on the windowsill. This is the heart of the farmhouse, warm and inviting. Bedroom. An iron bed with lace canopy, floral bedding, antique side tables, and a window's vanity mirror. It feels dreamy, restful, and full of romance. Bathroom. Use cloth tub, wicker storage baskets, linen towels, and scented candles. Emotional atmosphere. The feeling inside a vintage rural farmhouse is almost poetic. It whispers of slow days, open windows, fresh flowers, and family gatherings. It is the opposite of modern minimalism. In a state of sleek and cold, it is warm, layered, and sentimental. It invites you to slow down, cherish the moment, and find beauty in the simple things. The old edge of a wooden chair, the scent of lavender in a vase, the faded pages of an old book. Decorating mindsets, reuse and repurpose, give new life to old things, paint an old cabinet, turn a craft into a shelf, make cedars, combine heirloom pieces with new handcrafted decor. Imperfect beauty embrace deep cracks and faded finishes. They add soul. Modern adaptation. Today's designers often mix vintage rural farmhouse decor with modern comforts, hidden lighting, or modern appliances inside rustic cabinetry. Soft neutrals palette with a few elegant metallic touches, minimal clutter but maximal coziness. The goal is to keep the authentic country hut while making it functional for modern living. This is more than just a decorating style, it is a way of living that connects comfort, nostalgia, and elegance. The story behind the style at its heart. Vintage rural farmhouse decor tells a romantic countryside story. It evokes images of golden sunlight over open meadows, the scent of freshly baked bread in an old kitchen, the crack of wooden floors that told generations of memories. It is inspired by rural life, where homes are built from natural materials, decorated with love, and filled with handmade treasures. Then comes the vintage touch, soft, refined details that turn simplicity into art. This blend creates an emotional connection. The homes feel like a living scrapbook of time, love, and history. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.